another YouTube video.
I'm retarded.
I'm switching up languages.
What's up, bro?
I'm switching up languages.
Here with my
weird.
son right here. Alright, I got his so he's talking in Chinese. I don't even know what he's saying.
Dude, I'm talking in German, okay?
Same thing.
No.
Oh, look at that. Look at the light.
The light is gone.
It's gone.
The light is gone, but you still get some nice shots. Wir befinden uns jetzt mittlerweile irgendwo auf der Straße von New York und er redet jetzt in Englisch und sagt, er hat keine Ahnung, was ich sage. Aber wir gehen einfach mal ein bisschen rum, werden vielleicht nachher noch ein bisschen Magic performen, warten auf Bruce, der gerade noch so ein Kostüm anprobiert für den Job. Und ja, wir werden ein bisschen B-Roll filmen in der Zeit und gucken, ob wir danach noch irgendwie performance-mäßig was machen und auf den Times Square gehen oder so. You need to step up your B-Roll game.
You need to step down your tallness game. Talking about step up your B-roll game.
Okay, we're gonna get some nice B-Roll. 3, 2, 1. Wir sind jetzt hier fertig mit Zeitvertreib und ein bisschen B-Roll. Wir waren auch jetzt im Macy's. Jetzt warten wir hier auf Bruce, kommt jetzt gleich zu uns, dann gehen wir hoch Richtung Times Square und dann schauen wir, dass wir da irgendwie noch was machen können und ein bisschen filmen können und so.
I want cake.
He wants cake. Is that your car?
Yes. As you can see in the previous 18 videos we did, the same trick right there. Look at that. And it's restored. And he flicks it. Yeah!
Hey guys, 4 Ace production. That was the performance. All right, now let's get into the story. So you need the 4 aces. Okay. I usually do it in red black order. That way, when you're producing the aces, there's 2 reds here and then 2 blacks on the sides. So usually I put the ace of spades on the bottom. And you can put whatever red one, then a black, then a red. Doesn't matter what order as long as they're all on top. For you to be able to do this, you need to know false cuts or shuffles or just anything to keep the 4 aces on top. Okay. So you can do cuts, shuffles, as long as the 4 aces are still on top. Now, it's going to be a lot to teach all at once, but to learn this type of stuff, you can search up false cuts or false shuffles, or you can go to Panda Magic, and we teach how to do false cuts, false transfers, and stuff like that to be able to keep these in control. Right? So now I keep them face up, that way you know where they are. That way I can keep up with me. So as you can see, no matter what I'm doing, I'm keeping the 4 aces on top, okay? Everything else can be mixed, just make sure you keep the 4 aces here. So cuts, shuffle, and usually when you shuffle, you can hold the top 4 cards or whatever on top of the deck, right? So once you get up to that part, or even if you don't know how to do this stuff and you don't want to learn it, just start off with the 4 aces on top. Nobody knows, right? But you want to have them face down. So this is how it's going to look. You're going to split, flip those 2 this way, and the other 2 are going to be here. The reason why is because it looks like you're cutting into the deck and you're grabbing different aces. But in reality, this is what's happening. The ace is like this, on top. What's happening is you're actually picking up two cards. And you're breaking it off. It's hard to show you, but you're breaking it off and you're holding it up. And as you hold these, you're gonna pick up about half the deck. You're gonna move it this way. So it's gonna look like that. Okay? Then you're going to split. You're gonna grab the two aces from here, move them this way. Grab the two aces from here and leave them on top. So it looks like you're cutting in and you're grabbing 4 aces from 4 different parts of the deck. In reality, they're already on top. They're not going anywhere. So like, I'll show you the handling again. So 4 aces on top. Deck, it doesn't matter what order it is, as long as you remember the 4 aces. Right? So you can shuffle, do whatever you want. 4 aces will always be on top. Here, you're picking up two aces, all right? So you're gonna hold them. You're gonna move the 2 aces back. So I'll put them forward, that way I can see. These 2 aces are gonna move back as you move these forward. Okay, now you have 2 aces on this pile and 2 aces on this pile. Okay? Then you're gonna pick up half of these piles and move them to the side. Alright, so it's gonna look like one's going this way and one's going this way. And then these 2 are gonna be flipped over this way and the other 2 will be flipped over this way. So there's 2 aces on both sides of these sides. Now flip them this way, then this way. Okay? One more time. 4 aces. On top. Whatever controls or anything you want to do, you can find them anywhere on YouTube. Just search up false cuts, false shuffles, tutorials, and stuff like that. And you can type in Panda Magic and go to me and my friend's channel, and we post on how to do this type of stuff and how to get more in depth. This is just a quick tutorial designed for my friend Janik's channel for the time being that he's down in New York. Hey guys, thank you for watching. This was the tutorial for a 4 ace production. There's no real name for it, but if you want to learn more stuff like this, or like I said, controls or card handling, cardistry, like cool card flips, fans, springs, and stuff like that, go to Panda Magic. Me and my friend George, we record a lot of stuff like this, and we try to keep posting as much as possible. We don't post frequently, maybe like every 2 weeks or 3 weeks or so, but we're gonna try to keep posting more and more. If not, you can go to my channel, which is Speed King Magic. Speed King, one word, space, magic. I'll be posting tutorials maybe like once a month, and every week I'll be posting magic and me performing street magic or performing on stage or performing in Times Square and stuff like that. But yeah, thanks for watching.